Morning, students. So today in online class we have started the exercises which are related from the tape script Curious Town. As in my previous class and my video, I have explained you about the Curious Town, the tape script, which is a poem written by Mr. Harindranath Chattopadhyay. And I told you that the poet is giving us the funny situations for our entertainment, but as well as he is also explaining us the way of living a life, that we shouldn't be worried about the situations. We should always be ready for the unexpected things happening in our life. Life is not full of uh, only our desires and wishes could be filled in our life. Something or some events, the incidents will happen which we didn't used to expect. So we should always face the situations very bravely and try to face the situations happily also. When things are not in our control, we can only face it. So the poet tries to make us ready for all the circumstances of life. See, when he used to arrive in the Curious Town, he used to observe certain things which was not common. He was observing kittens as barking, the puppies were making sound of mews, frogs were climbing on the tree, boats were moving on the mountain. So many things were there which made him curious about the things. So same as he is trying to explain that there must be so many things happened in our regular life which will make us curious about our life. What next? We will wait for the coming situation. So we should always be ready for the coming situations. So this was the poem. Now we are going to do the exercises, that is from B2. Now you can see here there are several pictures which are not common. See, the cat is making sound of woof woof, the sound of dog, that is barking. So you should write here the dog used to bark in the Curious Town. Now, yes, we have to do the same. What we have read in the poem, we have to mention the things here. Like cats used to bark, puppies used to make sound of meow meow, the frogs are climbing on the tree, river is flowing with water, boats are moving on the rock, and man is walking on four legs. These are the things which are happening in the Curious Town, and we have to mention just below the picture. Now, in next question, what we have to do? We have to write the rhymings. So, what is the rhyming words of these? See, before that, I will make a gentle reminder about rhyming words. That rhyming words are the words which are same in rhyming, like hue, dew, train, grain, way, day, or rain. And the word which used to rhyme, say, we have to mention these words in B3. Now in B4, what we have to do in B4? We have to first unscramble these words, and then we have to match the word with their meanings. So first one is already done, that is rock, which means a very large stone. The second word is rainbow, RAINBO, rainbow, which means forms in the sky after rainfall. Next is boat, 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 forms in the which means a small vessel for traveling in water. Now the next is town, 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 which means a small city. Now in B5 we are having some pictures of animals, and the other side is having the voices of different animals. Now what we have to do, we have to match the animals with their sound. So first one is the word is roar. Roar is the sound made by lion, so match this from lion. Now Now the next picture is of a ship. Ship used to bleat. Elephant make a sound of trumpet. And last one is horse, which will match with knee. Done. Now students, you can see in the last exercise, that is on page number 52, that look at the picture carefully and find out 5 funny things about it. Write 5 sentences in the space given. See the picture. It's obviously very funny, as well as these things which we are observing these pictures, we do not used to see in our regular life. See, the frog is flying in the air. The sun, instead of being circular, it is of square shape. uh, the tree is climbing in the sky. The dog is having a horn on his head. The man is walking without a head. See, these things are very unusual. What you have to do, you have to write 5 sentences which are related from the picture. So this is your homework. Now tomorrow we are going to start the another chapter, that is Foolish Man. Now tomorrow's online class. So if you are going to join the class, that will be very good. Otherwise, the assignment for today will be from B2 to B6. You have to do both in book and your copy. So this is all for today.